applause. We have 39 graduates, and many of them are here tonight. This is our first graduation since we had to cancel in 2020 because of the pandemic. So we're so excited to see all of you back in person. We're so proud of our students that sit before us, and we want to extend our thanks to their friends and family who supported them on this journey.
We all have different reasons for why we didn't graduate. It might have taken us all these years to achieve this goal, but we made it. I never thought returning to school would be an option for me, but this program made it possible. That's taught me a lot. Never let your negative self-talk get in the way of your goals.
This is a hinge. Hinges are in-betweens. Hinges are not the door. They are not the frame that the door stands in. The hinges are what opens the door and lets you walk through. All of you know what the in-between of then and now looks like. Today is a hinge. This diploma will open up the door to new opportunities.
I am impressed when I look at these graduates. Out of all those who applied for the adult high school program, you were chosen to participate, and you were. You dared to believe that you could enroll in successfully the course of study, and you did. You dared to achieve your goal of earning a high school diploma, and you did.
I now declare you graduates with all of the earned rights, responsibilities, and privileges. You may now move your tassels from left to right. Congratulations. Go hard.